In the last problem, we saw that we got the factor x squared plus 4 that ended up giving us two solutions in the complex number system. Whenever we're working with polynomials, we're going to end up getting solutions in the complex number system that will come in what we call conjugate pairs. A conjugate pair is what we get when we take a plus bi and a minus bi as two factors. Since polynomials don't have any complex pieces to them, we need to make sure that whenever we take a complex piece out of it, its conjugate pair gets taken out as well. Otherwise, we end up getting a polynomial that has complex pieces, which isn't possible. So for example, we want to find a fourth degree polynomial, which means a polynomial that has four solutions, with real coefficients -2 and -2, and it also has a complex solution of 5i. Remember that when we've got a solution of -2, that means that we get a factor of x plus 2. And since that's a solution twice, we end up getting x plus 2 times x plus 2. Similarly, since we've got a solution of 5i, this can become the factor of x minus 5i. Now the problem is this is only giving us three solutions to our polynomial function. We need to figure out what the fourth one is going to be. And it goes back to the idea that if we want to get real number solutions, which we do with polynomial functions, then we can't have any complex pieces in our problem. We saw in the last section that I can multiply x minus 5i times x plus 5i, and then that will end up giving me a real solution value. So I'm going to take this in pieces. I can multiply x plus 2 times x plus 2. That'll give me x squared plus 4x plus 4. And I can multiply x minus 5i. That's going to give me x squared minus 5xi plus 5xi minus 25i squared. Recall that I squared is -1, so this piece right here is -1 times -25, or 25. And then my minus 5xi and my plus 5xi are going to cancel each other out. So really this is equal to x squared plus 25. Now I can multiply x squared plus 4x plus 4 times x squared plus 25 to get the fourth degree polynomial that this problem is asking for. X squared times x squared gives me x to the fourth. X squared times 25 gives me plus 25x squared. 4x times x squared gives me plus 4x to the third. 4x times 25 gives me plus 100x. 4 times x squared gives me plus 4x squared. And 4 times 25 gives me 100. Simplifying, this ends up giving me x to the fourth plus 4x to the third plus 29x squared plus 100x plus 100.